Hello and welcome everyone. Royal Singh here, your host, and today I will let you know that Supercell has decided to for a new update in recent days. So, I collected many information from around Google and find it that Supercell will be delivering its new update in the last of April or on the 1st of May. So, I have found many images about the rumors and some sneak peeks from Supercell, and it says that there will be a great update in the next future, and which will be just mesmerizing and the biggest and the most coolest update Supercell have mm, mm, ever made. So, the update is just not a small update or a balancing update like this, but that will be getting a new feature, and many of you may know it also, the reg shift feature. In this reg shift feature you can change your village in a particular mode which will be Supercell will be delivering you. I think that reg shift will be the most valuable and the most precious update of Supercell made in the last years. So the reg ship is not just a update in my opinion, but it's a very big and massive update that Supercell will be giving in the April or May. And other thing, Supercell have also told that there will be many more events which will give us many more gems by completing it. Just in the near past, Rage Wizard named event gave us 100 gems and 300 experience points. But according to Supercell, it will also give us 500 maximum of 500 gems from mm, completing the event. So let's wish that Supercell will be doing it great for us, and we will be getting much more greater heroes or any more upgrade in our troops for Town Hall 11 and up. So I am wishing that Supercell will also take out their Town Hall 12 update in this future update of April and May. So here is the news of Supercell that the update will be uh, surely or according to rumors will be at April last or May 1st. Let's see and watch out for the update. You will get the latest update sneak peeks and the update latest views from my YouTube channel. So like, subscribe and comment me your thoughts that what will be the greatest update according to you in um, by the Supercell in this COC game. So here is my clan, and a player called JD Master from Florida have just joined me, and he is a great person taking up my clan with Town Hall 11 and moderate maxed out base of him. Let's visit it. So JD Master have an Eagle Artillery level 11 and upgrading its Tesla coil to Hidden Tesla to level 9, and he is, I think that he used gems uh, mm, to boost his production in gold as well as elixir. He have a level 21 Archer Queen, a level 12 Grand Warden, and a level 22 Barbarian King. So he's a great player for me, and he's also letting us to push our clan to level 4. We have just received to level 3, and we are on our way to level 4. So if anyone want to join in our clan, you are mostly invited, and always get in touch with me by subscribing and get the latest update from COC. Let's do our first live attack. So basically I am just equalizing my Town Hall 7 with Town Hall 6 by upgrading the new buildings and walls to equal Town Hall 6, such as the walls to level 6 and all the cannons and archer towers to just like level 6. Then I will start the level Town Hall 7 upgrade from the root by upgrading one after the other. First the army I will upgrade and I will show you in my video. Let's just find a decent base which we can attack and find out the maximum loot. uh, I am trying to find out something cool and very much precious in loot, as I have only 5 lakh gold and 5 lakh elixir. Let's find out what will be in my future base. I'm just not finding. And another thing, I'm wishing that Supercell will be delivering one new update or feature for Town Hall 7 also. As because Town Hall 7 is just becoming boring for me, as it has no special troops or heroes, and I have used my Barbarian King in my old account, which is a Town Hall 9 Rust base. But in this, I am doing it maxed out every one and single town hall. Let's find some base. I'm not getting some decent base. Searching for opponents is just telling searching for opponents and searching for opponents. So here is one of, I think, a decent base with 16 trophies, 1,91 gold and 58,000 elixir. Let's attack it. So it has giants in the CC. Let's bring them here. So the giants are coming, and I think that it is level 6 7 giant in the CC. Giant takes a long time to come as their speed is very low, and the highest speed troop is the goblin in normal elixir. In dark elixir the highest speed troop is the minor minion. Well, in recent time minor event also started, and as I am not town hall 11 I can't use it. I'm very much unlucky for it. Let's see how much can we take out from this base. Well, now it's the target to take out the mortar, so that let's use the CC troops. So one of the mortar is down, but still there is one mortar left. And the other mortar is also down. So mainly the wizards are still alive, but all my barbarians and mostly the archers are died. Let's use the second healing spell. Level 6 walls are disturbing, and level 5 giants are not able to take this out. Now the wizards have back up the giants, and only one last cannon is left. Let's see if we can take it or not. The wall is ready to go down, and the wall is down, and we have got this base with 16 trophies and a lot amount of gold. So as I have upgraded my army camp, my troops composition have also changed a little bit, and I will be showing you just now. And it's a perfect and with 100%, and I have got a loot bonus. A star bonus is also waiting for me. Let's train the troops. So the new strategy after upgrading my army camp, one of my new army camp to level 5, there are 22 barbarians, 23 archers, 17 giants, 4 wall breakers, 14 wizards and 2 healing spell that cost only elixir 1 lakh for 4390. And here is my level 5 army camp, which is upgrading to level 6, and it's just left 2 days and 16 hours. So basically I will upgrade my these walls and the air defense to level 4, which is currently going to be level 3. Then I will start upgrade of town hall 7 with a new strategy and upgrade. So here it is guys, get the Supercell update and comment me down below what are your prediction in that the Supercell will be delivering in the update. Stay tuned and be amazed. Please subscribe and over and out.